Hello friends, welcome on our channel Forklift Tech Tutorials. In today's videos we explain about mast and its types. Let's start the video. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe our channel. Forklift mast. The mast is the vertical assembly on the front of the forklift that does the work of raising, lowering, and tilting the load, with the combination of mast sections, hydraulic cylinders, chains, rollers, carriage and forks. Forks attached to the carriage. Carriage attached to the mast inner section and chains. The carriage is actuated by the hydraulic cylinder of the mast. By operating the control lever by operator, it raises the load by actuating that cylinder, thus lifting the forks and your load. All masts lift by hydraulic displacement and lower by the force of gravity. From a simple direct lift to multiple channel staging, each mast type has features that enhance performance or extend the application range of the lift truck. Free lift is the distance that the carriage will raise prior to the inner channel extending. This feature is imperative for double stacking in a trailer. Another feature that is an option but is now considered essential to most users is side shift. This feature allows horizontal movement of the forks to more precisely pick and place loads in less time. Types of forklift mast. Standard Master V mast. The standard upright is a two-stage assembly with two rails, one stationary and one movable inner rail. This upright uses two side-mounted lift cylinders to provide direct lift to the inner rails and indirect chain lift to the carriage fork assembly. The chain raises the carriage at a rate of 2 inches for every inch of cylinder rod extension. Duplex Master FV mast. The duplex upright is a two-stage assembly with full free lift. This upright resembles the standard upright and works in the same way, except a primary, center-mounted cylinder provides full free lift. The primary cylinder also raises the carriage at a 2-to-1 ratio, but raises the carriage to the top of the inner rails before hydraulic fluid is rerouted to the side-mounted secondary cylinders for direct rail lift. Triplex Master FSV mast. The triple-stage upright uses 3 sets of rails, 2 movable rails and 1 stationary rail for 3-stage lift with full free lift. The same principles of operation apply in triple-stage lift as the high-low model, but with an extra stage of lift. The primary cylinder provides the full free lift of the carriage and forks. The secondary lift cylinders are attached to the intermediate rails. When these cylinders begin lift, they lift the intermediate rails directly, while the chains pull the inner set of rails, along with the carriage fork assembly. Quad upright, QFV mast. The quad upright uses 4 sets of rails and an added set of chains to provide 4 stages of lift, with full free lift. Quad uprights work basically in the same way as triple-stage uprights, except in that a second set of chains and pulleys operated by the secondary lift cylinders provide the 4th stage of lift.